I am assuming you will like to see the details of the sales of the new books on Siam, and I am asking the cashier to give you these up to this week. Stop. If you would like to speak to me on the business, or if you have special reasons for supposing you can push the sales of the books at this time, I shall be happy to see you. Stop. I have myself seen to the dispatch of all the review copies, and the head of the mailing room has himself seen to the dispatch of copies to buyers by mail. Stop. The subject with which the books deal seems to be popular now, and I have had several visitors to the showroom each day since the issue of the volumes. Stop. Para. For several special reasons, I should like you to come to see me on Wednesday as early as you can. Stop. I specially desire you to write out the names of all the firms with which you have had business dealings since you came to us. Stop. I shall discuss a new policy with you, and the names for which I ask may be of use. Stop. I am a bit upset at the refusal of SQ and Benson to take those Eskimo rugs, and I should like to know the reasons for the refusal. Stop. I have several subjects besides these of which I wish to speak to you when I see you on Wednesday. Stop. Ask to see me as soon as you arrive. Stop.